Hello, my dear students. This is Hasina Islam, lecturer, Department of English, Tongi Government College, Gazipur. How are you? I think you all are fine by the grace of Almighty Allah. I am also fine. This lecture is for the students of degree 3rd year. I have delivered a lecture on correction, and this is the second lecture on correction. Okay, and in my previous lecture I have given you some examples and I told you how to correct those sentences. Today I will show you some incorrect sentences and I will tell you how to make correct of those sentences, and after that you will try to keep a note of this rules, okay, on these rules. Okay, so I'm going to give you the first example. Okay, just listen to me very carefully and then you will try to find out the incorrect sentence and you will try to make it correct. Okay, first of all, wait here until I do not come. Wait here until I do not come. Okay, here I use until. So you have to remember, until itself is negative. No need to add any no or not, that is negative word with this sentence. So the correct sentence should be wait here until I come. Wait here until I come. No need to add any not or no. Okay. Okay, I am going to give you another example. He insisted me to go there. He insisted me to go there. With insist, you have to use, that is, you have to add ing with verb, and you have to instead of me, you have to use possessive case. Okay. So the correct sentence is he insisted on my going there. So I have make two correction here. First of all, instead of me, I wrote my. This is the possessive form. Okay. So you have to use possessive form and you have to add ing with verb. Okay. Then number 3. Read attentively lest you fail. Read attentively lest you fail. Okay. With lest, of course, you have to use should. Okay. Should is not added with this sentence. So the correct sentence is read attentively lest you should fail. Okay. Then another sentence. Stop to write. So this sentence starts with a verb. Okay. With some verbs we have to use ing. So stop to write. Instead of this sentence you have to write down stop writing. Very often in your exam hall your teachers say stop writing. Okay. So this is the correct form. Then another example. Mila could not help to laugh. Mila could not help to laugh. So could not help, cannot help, could not help, with a view to, in order to, with this type of sentences, words, you have to use ing. Okay. So Mila could not help to laugh. This is incorrect. The correct sentence is Mila could not help laughing. Okay. Mila could not help laughing, because with could not help, you cannot help, could not help, you have to use ing with verb. Then another similar example. I cannot but laughing. This is incorrect. I cannot but laughing. With cannot but or could not but, no need to use ing with verb. So the correct one is I cannot but laugh. Okay. I am going to another example. The students come here with a view to learn English. So I told you that is with a view to use to plus be verb, then cannot help, could not help, you have to use ing. So with a view to, you have to use ing. The students come here with a view to learning English. This is the correct one. Okay. Then another example. Rohim was used to take tea. Okay, this is the mistake here. That is, here in this sentence, what is the structure of this sentence? Be verb plus used to. So with be verb plus used to, you have to use ing. If be verb is not given, no need to use ing. Okay, so with be verb plus used to, you have to use ing. So Rohim was used to take tea. You have to write down Rohim was used to taking tea. Another example. 3 years passed since his father died. So in this sentence, you have to notice a since is used here as a connector. Okay, so since connects two sentences. So here in the first sentence, you have to use have or has. So if you find since, that is if since connects two sentences, with the first sentence you have to use have or has. So 3 years have passed since his father died. This is the correct sentence. Okay, 3 years have passed. With countable noun, we use have. A plural. With plural, we use have. And with singular, we use has. Okay. Okay, then another very interesting example. You very often make the mistake. I, he, and you are guilty. Remember, to express any guilt. Okay. We have to use that is, you have to remember 1, 2, 3. That is the person, first person, second person, and third person, while expressing any guilt, okay, or misdeed. You have to use 1, 2, 3. 1 means first person, 2 means second person, and 3 means third person. So I, he, and you are guilty. This is incorrect. You have to say I, you, and he. Okay, in this way you have to make the correction. Okay, then if in this sentence any good deeds or any good work is expressed, you have to use 2, 3, 1. That is second person, third person, and then first person. Okay, I'm giving you the example here. Kamal, you, and I shall help the poor. Kamal, you, and I shall help the poor. Where is the mistake here? This is a good work, and you have to arrange the person in this way. 2, 3, 1. So you have to write down you, Kamal, and I shall help the poor. Okay. Then another example. Do you know where does he live? Look at this sentence. This is an incorrect sentence. So do you know where does he live? No need to use do and does in a same sentence. So what is the correct one? You have to write down do you know where he lives. Okay. So at the very beginning we used do. That's why no need to use does here. That's why we have to write down do you know where he lives. Okay. And I am going to give you 2 more examples, very interesting examples here. You have to listen to my lecture again and again, then it will be very easy for you to memorize all the rules. Okay, no need to memorize the rules, just you have to listen to my lecture again and again, then you will be able to make the correction. Okay, another example. Columbus invented America. So Columbus he find out a place. So while finding out a place, no need to use invent. Of course, it should be discover. It is a discovery. Okay. So for any new place, it must be discovered. So what is the correct one? Columbus discovered America. So instead of invent, you have to write down discover. Okay. And if it is not a place, you have to use invention. Okay. That is another example. Television is a modern discovery. This is wrong. This is